Hi and welcome to version 6.0.51 of Mobiclean Pro. The version 6.0.50 was not released to the public due to some issues. If there was already foreign text in the pages, then it was messing with those texts. So I've now come up with a new way of processing non-English characters in certain fields. Now the non-English characters are only available in 8 fields: the name of the site email address, the comments, the alt tags, the engine tags, and the author, subject and copyright. So this can help with your SEO because you can now put foreign characters in those fields. And there's 2 ways of doing it. One, you can do it from the keyboard. So for example, if we use a Thai keyboard, we can enter some Thai text in the field. I don't know what it says, but there we are. And the same with the email. If your name is in Thai, whoops. So you can enter, and that's a mixture of English and foreign text. Now you can also enter it by pasting. So if you have, like from Google Translate, so if you have some Russian text that you want to put in there, you can do that simply by clicking in the field and pressing Ctrl V, which will paste the text. So now you have some Russian text with that. Now in addition to that, you can actually put a combination of text of languages in this, because you can also put some Thai text as well. So you can have English, Russian, Thai, or English, German, Thai, or English, German, Russian, all in the same field, which can be quite useful. So let's just put some Russian text in that one, and we'll put some Thai text in that one. And then in here we'll put just some Thai text and some Thai text there and some Thai text there. Okay, so now we've got all our foreign text in, so now we can start the process. And once the process is finished, we'll have a look at the index page, look at it in the text editor, and as you can see, we've got Thai text there. Here we have the mixture of Russian text and Thai text, and the original text that was in the WPP still remains as is. So that tends to fix all the issues. If we now have a look at that in the browser, where was it? It was here. So if we have a look at that in the browser, you'll see the original text in the document still remains as was, and if we look at the page source, we can now see we have the Thai and the Russian. So the bots can now read that because it's all UTF-8, and that will help with your SEO. And if we look at it again in Notepad, you will see that it is UTF-8. Okay, so that's it. That's as simple as that. That's how it works. And it's very simple. When you save that profile, that will automatically reload. So if we save that profile, save it as empty. Whoops. So if we save it as, let's go back to an English character here. Amp-test2. Okay. So if we now load a different one, so that you can see it's gone, all those text has gone. And now if we load our new profile, we've now loaded all the foreign characters as well automatically. Okay, so that's it. That's the new features. It's been quite a job because the actual software that is used to write the program doesn't support UTF-8, but with a few little tricks and things, we've now managed to get it to allow the entry of foreign text, such as the amulet in German and so on and so forth. Okay, so this will be released on the update channel within the next couple of days, so check your updates over the next couple of days and you should get version 6.0.51. Also on the What's New page you'll see there's a notes, read notes, and that will tell you how the new non-English characters works. Okay, have fun and enjoy.